everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up 9 of Earth. This is a monthly tarot / oracle subscription, so each month you get a deck, so obviously I love it. And then you get a bunch of other items that go along with the theme, so I will link them down below. This is one that was gifted to me, but not by the company, by a friend. So I get it through Cratejoy, so you can check that out. It's about $60, which is a little pricey, but when you think about it, you get a deck and then like 8 other items, so it really adds up. You get at least $100 in value, so I think it's great. And yeah, is that all I have to say? If you guys like tarot and stuff like that, I do have a second channel, Kitty Outside the Box, which is always linked down below. So like I mentioned, there's always a deck that comes in this box, so I am going to do a flip through of whatever we get. I'm super excited to see on my other channel that will come out at the same time, and that video will be linked down below. But yeah, let's get started. This is what the box looks like this month. It changes every month. And then when you open it up, there's like a little card that says about all the items inside, and then it is just packed with stuff. I saw something I'm excited about because, yeah, I'll tell you when we get there. So let's see what the theme is. New beginnings, perfect for January. So it'll talk about everything inside, give pricing. And we get a tarot deck this month. We've gotten oracles the past 2 months at least. So I'm really excited. It looks like we have fewer items this month, but higher value items. Because sometimes we'll get like 10 items. There's 2, 4, 6 items in here. So let's get started. Something was right on top. What's the... Oh, they gave us a spell too. So I'm going to set this aside. We can do this first. I don't need anything else here. So this is an easy spell for a fresh start. This is great. Fresh start of this video. I'm such a dork. Okay, so what you need is a candle and a small piece of paper. Most of us have that, especially us like witchy people. No matter what, we all like candles, right? I love candles. God, I'm like so obnoxious today. Let's just get to it. Okay, so you begin by lighting your candle, focus on your intention, and then you grab your paper, write down something you feel is standing in the way of achieving your goals. And then take your candle and start dripping wax over the words you just wrote until you no longer see them. Cool, I've never done this. And then they give you something to say, an incantation. And then they tell you to allow the candle to burn. And remember that no spell will work without actions. I love that they bring that up. Action, willpower. So this is what it looks like. If you wanted to screenshot or something like that. I think that's really sweet that they put this in here. And it's not listed on here, so this is just something a little extra. But okay, when I just made that little like giggle or whatever you call that earlier was about this plant that's in here. So I have 2, but they're in a weird condition. This is a Rose of Jericho plant, and I want one for my I have an altar over there, and I want to put it there and then change the water every week. It's really good at absorbing negativity and helping with your manifestations. So the ones I have, for some reason, when I put them in water, there's like mold on them every time, and then I put them outside. I live in Florida, so it's hot and there's a lot of sun to like kill it, but I don't know. It's weird. So I'm so happy to have a new one. I think it's because I didn't use those others for a while. I could probably just like cut that or rub it off. But anyways, this is nicknamed the Resurrection Plant. It brings new energy to areas in your life you wish to enhance. It's perfect for new beginnings. This magical plant grows in the desert and appears dead when it's dry, but once hydrated, it reblooms and turns green again. Yeah, and my other one wasn't turning super green again. So they're actually not alive. They're like, but they get green. I don't know. Someone explained it to me once. They give you instructions, and they say it's good to add money to the dish for money magic. It's for my money altar, yeah. Use it in love spells to reignite passion. Use the magical water to anoint tools and spiritual baths, floor washes, or the front door of your home. Keep the plant around to bring in good luck and absorb negativity. I'm excited. I feel bad I'm like keeping it here and talking about it. So I've showed you guys these before. I can't remember where I've gotten it in the past, but it's in this ball, and it just, you know, totally coiled up, not green at all. When you put it in water, it like expands open and then turns bright green. You can see it in this picture here. Sorry, ignore my Band-Aid. So I'm super excited about this. I'm like stoked. Yeah, this is $5.99. I'm so glad they got this in here. Yay. Ooh, I see a candle. Let's look at that next. this out. They wrap everything really well. Oh my, I can smell it already. Oh my God. It smells so good. It reminds me of something. Phoenix Rising Rebirth. There's a little skull there and like glittery pieces on top. Oh, I love the Phoenix. This is a Phoenix Rising Ritual Candle. This has some weight to it. You definitely want to save this and reuse it after you burn the candle. $19.99, and it talks about the phoenix is an immortal bird from ancient Greek mythology that has a unique trait of regenerating itself. So perfect for this box. They do such a good job curating it. But anyways, and it rises from the ashes of its predecessor. It symbolizes immortality, rebirth, healing, renewal, resurrection, and life after death. Call upon the phoenix energy when you need to rebuild yourself after a major life change or emotional hardship. The phoenix reminds us that we have the power to heal and rise stronger even when we feel like everything is falling apart. So this is made from hand-poured soy wax, phthalate-free, blood orange fragrance, and non-toxic glitter. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. Citrus is such like a good scent for like energizing, like, and getting that like oomph for new beginnings too. We're gonna look at the deck last. And we have a new beginning crystal set. Looks like there's 4 crystals in here, and I love that they give some information too. So this is a set of 4 crystals picked for their supportive properties and beginning new positive chapters in your life. So there's howlite, amazonite, labradorite, and yellow aventurine. And this is $16, and there's more information here, which is really nice, especially for beginners and this stuff. I don't think I have any yellow aventurine. That's exciting. I have plenty of green. So it's wrapped up nice. Let's get them out. I love all these stones. But again, I've never used. And the yellow aventurine is a worry stone. So it's like goes in your palm easily. Palms when they come to, so you can just hold it and stuff. It's smooth. So yellow aventurine is a stone of good luck, self-worth, and confidence. It's a great stone to start new projects. It helps you embrace changes with confidence, courage, optimism, and openness. Yay. And then here's amazonite. It's pretty. Amazonite is a stone of hope, success, and abundance. It soothes emotional trauma, helps to restore emotional balance. The perfect crystal for fresh starts due to heartbreak. It removes blockages in the heart chakra, releasing fears in loves and relationships. And howlite. This is a very calming stone. I wear howlite sometimes, you might have noticed. Howlite, yep, stone of calming. It helps calm and clear the mind so that you can become aware of how to achieve your goals, allows access to higher consciousness, and inspires ambition. And I love labradorite. I have a big piece over on my tarot desk. So labradorite is a stone of transformation, an uplifting stone that gives great strength and perseverance. If you're afraid of change, it helps release negative feelings. It makes you less fearful of reaching your dreams. Nice. Awesome, 4 stones. And then we have a bracelet. Let's see what this is. Black Obsidian Skull Bracelet, $19.99. Black Obsidian stimulates growth in all areas of life and encourages exploration of the unknown. It is truth enhancing and helps you embrace who your true self is. Skull represents rebirth. It reminds us to live purposefully and be in the moment. Yeah, memento mori. Cool. I love protective stones. Actually, my other black obsidian one, I didn't get it from this company, a different one. It actually was like falling apart because I wore it every day, so I could totally use one. I used to always have a black one here too, so yay! I'm excited, and I like the skull part and how they talk about rebirth. Yeah, and then, ooh, this is exciting. We have made by 9 of Earth, their house blessing loose ritual incense. Look how much is in here. House blessing, I love that. So this is $4.99. It says blend of herbs, resin, flowers, and essential oils to cleanse and invite good energy, renewal, and prosperity. So to use, you sprinkle the loose incense over hot charcoal in a heat-safe burner dish. It contains copal, frankincense, myrrh, rosemary, lavender, and pine essential oil. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna use this today. I have a bunch of charcoal discs. I'm so excited, yay. And then the one thing left is our tarot deck, which is the Skeleton Tarot by Cat Rocket Ship, and it's $55, which is like the price of this box. That's what I was saying. And it comes in a bag. I don't know if I know this deck. Maybe when I see it, I'll recognize it, which is actually really exciting to me because I watch, like, I have it up on the screen right now. I paused, like, Lisa Pepez's video. I was watching it when I was doing my makeup. I watch a lot of tarot, too. I love tarot. I'm obsessed. Booked in tarot. I'm getting more into buying a lot of books because I have so many tarot decks that I'm, like, trying to use and stuff, but anyways, I'm just gonna stop talking. I love tarot. I love it so much. And this is the bag it comes with. I think that's really cute. $55. That's a lot. This like is the price of like a indie deck. It probably is. Oh, what else is in here? Something. Oh, there's a thank you and a sticker. Here's the sticker. And then I'm gonna read what this says. Did you know you can get monthly mailings of art? Join my sticker club. Patreon.com/catrocketship and see more on Instagram. Ooh, you know I love monthly mailings. So this is what the back looks like. And then this looks like an information card. Let's see if I can get this open. I am excited. I'm gonna read it too. Oh, it is an indie deck. This unique indie deck is a favorite of many collectors. Use it when you need to find focus. What treasures are you overlooking? How can you learn from the places you're in? Who is around to help you? The symbols and stories on the card help make its message clear. The deck contains 4 playful takes on the typical suits: mugs, knives, canes, and coins. Each card is illustrated with skeletons, plants, drinks, and wild animals rendered in rich textures and patterns. Comes with a soft tarot bag. Does not come with a guidebook, which encourages you to use your own intuition. I don't mind that at all. So again, here's the back. Interesting. So you can see the cup, coin, the knife, or the mug, sorry. And then here's a little card that comes with it. Skeleton Tarot. New to tarot, I recommend the Golden Thread app and biddytarot.com. And then give some other advice. Now I'll just show you guys a few of them. Again, right after filming this, I'm going to film a flip through. I've done flip throughs of a decent amount of oracles. I think this might be my first flip through of a full 78 tarot deck. This is exciting. So this is what it looks like. So it's like trichromatic. Is that what you say? There's like black, white, and blue. Oh, this looks cute. I like that we got an indie deck. Like the past few, okay, no, the last tarot we got was the Trick or Treat tarot in October. And then we got like 2 different oracles, and now we have a tarot again. And that one was mass market. And it was a new release too, which is cool. But I like the mixture of getting new releases and then indie decks too, because I am more mass market than indie decks. Now I'm like pro both, but like, you know, indie decks are more expensive, so it's nice to get them in a box because I'm less likely to spend $55 on my own. But not when I do, it's $59 and I get all this stuff, you know. Then like mass markets are a little bit cheaper. But so what I'm gonna do, I'll fill a full deck flip through on my other channel, and then if you haven't seen one of my deck flip throughs, after going through them and showing you all the cards, I shuffle it and I do a little card draw for the collective. So yeah, I'm excited to go look through this. It looks like it's gonna be really cute. It looks like it's pretty much based like a Rider-Waite-Smith clone in a way. But we'll see. Go see the other video, which will be linked down below if you want to see all the cards next. But that's it for today, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Again, I will link them in the description if you're interested in subscribing. I think this is so fun to get tarot deck and all these other items. And don't they do a good job curating everything to go with the theme? New beginnings. I'm really liking this. But yeah, let me know your thoughts again. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, I would love if you did so. Like this video, leave a comment. And definitely check out my other channel next. And if you are into that type of thing, like tarot readings, subscribe there as well. But I hope you're so well. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you so much. Have a great day. I love you. Bye.